Well, y'all, we started here with the sketch, a general idea what it was supposed to look like. Then we went to here and drew out structurally how I'd like to build it out. And then now we have a couch.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can.
Now, of course, it isn't finished. It's gonna get painted. This is just primer right here. It's all gonna get painted over. We're gonna get cushion on the bottom. We're gonna get cushion on the back. This ottoman is also gonna get a cushion on the top and all that jazz, okay? But this is put together and functionally, it works. Functionally, it works. So down here underneath the couch, we have two drawers that slide out. Pretty good large size drawer right there. We can store clothes or whatever else it is that we want. Top drawer, same thing, slides right out. Now this front face ugly wood, this is gonna get covered. There's gonna get a different piece of wood that'll go right on top of that and get a handle and all that kind of stuff. I didn't even bother painting that because it's gonna get hidden. For the seat itself, this is a piece of wood that I reused. It was underneath the trailer. I cut it out when we installed the fresh water tank. So I just reused that wood, cut it to size, and that is the support for our seat. And if you look over here, I actually cut a different piece out of it, put a hinge on it, and this is going to be our little secret hidden compartment. So when we leave the trailer, we can put stuff in there like our laptops, cameras, drones, whatever it is that we want to put in there. You aren't gonna know, well, y'all might know now obviously, but other people won't know because there'll be a cushion over this and you won't know that there's a secret compartment underneath there. So that I think is pretty solid. And I might put a lock on there just to super secure it. I'm not 100% sure yet. Over here, we have the heat. So this is where the diesel heater heat comes from, right? So the air gets sucked into this. The diesel heater lives here, and then the hot air gets blown out of this thing into the trailer. This is the control for the heater, so you can turn it on, turn it off, adjust it, blah, blah, blah. If you look over here, this is the water tank to the AC. Yes, we have an AC. We have an air conditioner in here to keep us nice and cool in the warmer months. And this has water tubes that run behind the wall, eventually leading up to our AC unit, which is right there. Now this is mounted and secured to the wall, but this piece here is going to get a piece of wood over it that'll lift up and open to allow me to refill this water tank, because this needs to get refilled occasionally. So instead of needing to go outside or into the garage or something, I could just lift up this lid, pour more water into my water tank, and I'm good to go. Now at the bottom down there, you can kind of see it, that red tray. That is basically a waterproof tray that I built out. I just whipped together a little box and I waterproofed it with the same waterproof membrane that I used on the shower when we was building the shower. That red stuff that I put all over the walls, that same thing is inside that box. So that way, if this tank ever has a leak, then the water should catch right into that tray instead of leaking all over my floor. These two lines right here, the red one and the blue one, that goes to the utility shower, which is the outdoor shower. Those water lines run underneath the couch here and poke out over here. And eventually these will get added to go wherever they need to go. The ottoman here, this I already mentioned to y'all, but that's gonna be a dog food, dog water, and then the diesel heater inside. And also this is the step to get on top of the bed. So the bed is going to rest on top of this here, flat, just like so, all the way to that side. And this is the step that you'll step on to be able to get onto the bed. And I think that's overall it, y'all. I am pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's functional. It's gonna get prettied up, so just ignore all the, simple, just wood look. It's gonna get taken care of later. But that's it for today, y'all. Now it's time to start thinking about the next task. Peace.